Discussions are crucial for deepening knowledge and developing perspectives, and FeedbackFruits discussion tools are designed to facilitate this online in an engaging and structured way. In this video, we'll look at discussion on work, designed for student deliverables, and follow through an example activity. First, the numbered steps on the left show the general structure of the activity. Step 1 lets me read the instructions from the teacher. Step 2 is where I can hand in my work. Next, in Step 3, there's a space to discuss an assigned peer's submission. And in Step 4, you can enter an open discussion on anyone's work before a final grading module. These steps may be slightly different depending on how the teacher has set up the activity, but for now, let's look through from the top. First, I can read the instructions the teacher has set for the activity. Once I'm finished working on our assignment, I can hand in that file in Step 2. I can do this by clicking the Select File button, choosing the file, and it'll then appear here. I can also see the deadline for submission here if the teacher has set one. Once I've handed in the work, I can start discussing my peer's work in Step 3. I'll be assigned to a specific peer either automatically or manually by the teacher. In this step, clicking on Show will reveal the entire document in the main screen, and in the sidebar on the right, a discussion thread. Once I've read the submission thoroughly, I can add comments by clicking and dragging to highlight text or a section and typing my comment in the right here. It's also possible to add a voice note or attachment, and by pressing the 3 dots in the top, comments can be edited or deleted. I can also sort comments based on things like activity, recency, or most upvotes. Depending on the assignment requirements, I might be required to post or reply to several comments and discussion threads. When done, clicking up in the top bar will let me continue back to the main page. In the next step, Open Discussion, there's the opportunity to converse with my peers on their other submissions, as well as my own. Clicking on documents which appear here, I can see the discussion threads and conversations that other students have been involved in. For now, let's take a final look at the grading module, which might not actually appear if the teacher has set this up just as a practice exercise, for example. If grades are enabled, however, then once they're published, they'll appear here, broken down by weighting. And if at any time difficulties arise, I can contact support with the button in the bottom and expect a response within 5 minutes on weekdays. And for more information, check out our help center or feel free to contact us directly.